Hi guys. Uh, cool. Okay. I hope I'm audible and visible as well. Everyone, can you hear me? Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Abhishek. I'll be your host and speaker for today. And let us get started. I can see we have a full house today. So let's get started. Thank you, first of all, for joining the session. Thank you for joining the meeting at this 31st night. So, yeah, very grateful that you are able to join and you are giving your valuable time to us. Now, okay, I will just show you how exactly we will go, and I will tell you about myself as well, and we will then get started. Okay, cool. So, my full name is Abhishek Racharmani. I have good industry experience with me. Uh, I have published international papers. I have worked with big names like Samsung and Jaguar Land Rover. I have mentored more than 50,000 plus students, and I have done my bachelor's and master's from IIT. I have written a book, a patent in AI. So yeah, that is about my short experience. Okay, cool. Let's get started. Now, okay, whoever is doing this, please don't do this. I have to, yeah, this would be okay. uh Team, can we have it off? Okay, cool. Yeah guys, we can get started now. How exactly the pattern of the session is going to be? There would be two phases. This is going to be a this is not a one-to-one session. Please treat it as a Q&A session where you would be asked to unmute, and you can unmute and ask your doubts. Now the first form of the Q&A would be the chat bot. You can see there in the below there is a Q&A option where you can ask any of the questions. Some of you have also already asked your questions, so you can post your questions there. Me and my team would be replying very actively in the Q&A. That would be one form of discussion that we will have. The other form of discussion would be, you can raise your hand if you think that you want to talk to me directly. You can raise your hand and we can have a quick discussion. Again, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. One thing is, you there should not be any follow up questions from whatever you are going to ask. Okay, second thing, this is, as I mentioned, this is not a one to one call, it is a Q&A session. It means that we, as a best interest of everyone, we need to make sure that you only ask me one question and I respond to that question only, right? So there should not be like, we can't have three four multiple questions around that. If you want to have it, you can post your questions in the Q&A. My team would be replying you as many times as you want. Okay, so that is how we will proceed with the session. Okay, and I would request you to raise your hand. Whoever has the doubt, you can raise your hand, and my team will unmute you. Now please maintain the queue, the in whatever order you will raise your hand. The things will be going in the first in first out manner. That is, once whoever raised their hand first will be allowed to answer the question first, right? So we will be going in the first, whoever raised the hand first will be allowed to talk first, right, in that particular fashion. So all your chances, I will try my 110% to take all your doubts, but still you have to be patient with me, and you have to ask your question in the Q&A. And if possible, I would really appreciate that. Otherwise, if you think only I can answer by unmuting, then you can raise your hand. Okay, cool. So these are the things we need to keep in mind always throughout the session, so that we can make the session very, very fruitful. Cool, guys. Okay, let's get started in that case. Now, yeah. Cool, guys. Who is coming first?
Good evening, sir. This is Javed.
Hi, Javed. How are you?
Fine. Actually, I am Oracle ERP, consultant, and I work
Hmm.
with Oracle ERP for last around 30 years.
Okay. Great.
So now my objective of coming here in this course is to implement AI related stuff in the Oracle ERP.
Okay.
So whatever AI related features are introduced, especially AI agents and all those things. So that's why I enrolled in this course. So how I can get help in this course for my objective?
Okay, okay. Yeah, of course, Javed. See, firstly, how you can get in terms of course, there would be a good side of implementation that we will be understanding. You will be understanding how exactly AI works, how right from the scratch, okay, and how you can use AI in to build some of your projects in your domain. So these are few things that you will be learning, and major understanding would be learning how exactly AI works, and then so that you can implement in your domain, and as well as um, there would be a couple of projects around your own domain as well, that you can learn from it. So yeah, that in that way it can benefit you. Does that sounds good, Ravi?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we can move next. Hi, Vasant.
Hi, Abhishek. My question is related to not data analytics, but I have questions related to the same. I just wanted to know where I can start my career with data analytics. Is that something which I wanted to know? And in terms of BI and data analytics, how do I get into uh, I mean, they're asking for BI developers. So I'm not sure if I have done this course, is it sufficient for to do something else?
Okay, okay. So what exactly is your background, Vasant?
So I'm a project manager, KPMG. So
KPMG. Okay.
yeah,
How do like what exactly you work at KPMG?
uh, actually it's a consulting background. I'm doing the consulting background.
Okay,
So I want. um,
and what exactly is your like what exactly you are looking for now? Would it be
I want to get
data?
into BI or data analytics. What is
Hmm.
it required for me to get into it?
Okay,
That's what my
okay,
question is.
okay, okay. Sure. So Vasant, like this particular session, we majorly focus on data analytics using AI, like not
Okay.
on the career guidance side, but still, I'll try to answer your question in as per the domain. So yeah, you can also connect with our team. You can just drop a Q&A. In the Q&A, you can drop your profile guideline, and team will guide you on that. Although the background that you have right now, uh, the major things that BI and data analytics will cover is that imagine yourself getting a data in KPMG, and you want to analyze that data to so that the KPMG can make decisions around it, right? So majorly it will be helpful in decision making aspects, and answering the questions that stakeholders have. So in all these aspects, data analysis and especially data analysis using AI is very helpful, right? So anything around decision making and anything around analysis of the data, the big amount of data that KPMG get. So yeah, it will be a part of the data analysis using AI.
Most of, sorry to interrupt,
Yeah.
Vishnu. So most of the things are not allowed in the domain. So I just wanted to, that's restricted now in the environment. So
most of the
Okay.
things are not in your something that you work with regularly.
See, the tools what is suggested cannot be used in the my domain in the network which I'm using.
Got
So
it.
it's
Got
more
it.
sensitive of data sensitive. So
Okay. So what are the tech stack that you work in your current domain?
um, I mean, as I said, data analysis is something which have to do that. Apart from that, consulting background to do that. I mean,
No, in consulting background, like what? See, there are two things, Vasant. Either you want to switch a domain. So if you want to switch a domain, there are of course new skills that you want to learn. You have to learn.
okay.
Okay. Or if you want to stick into your domain and you want to ask me like Abhishek, how exactly I can use data analysis using AI into my current domain. So what is your main doubt? Is it the first one that you want to make a transition, or is it the second one that you want to
Yeah, I
use
want to
AI?
make a transition. Yeah. Apart
Okay.
from, I'm project manager actually. So
Okay.
apart from what I'm doing, I want to get into the data analytics and BI developer. I wanted to get into these AI tools actually.
Got it. Got it. Got it. So I think it's all good. See, as a project manager, you might not have any of the related skills to the data analysis role. To be very honest, because the roles vary a lot in terms of roles and responsibilities, and in terms of the skill set that is required. Right? You get that because as a
Okay.
project manager, you require a different set of skills altogether. What a data analyst won't require. Right? Maybe your role can be very closely related to a business analyst rather than a data analyst, right?
Okay.
Or maybe a data analyst who needs to get involved in the stakeholder side, right? So
Okay.
a data analyst which have a few things of the business analyst role. So maybe you can target business analyst and data analyst role together. That would be a better case.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
And okay, I will ask a BI related some other questions.
Yeah, again, the same goes with the BI as well, because
Okay.
at the end of the day, BI will give you the analysis, will give you the report, will that will be shown to the stakeholder or the clients.
I
So
mean,
at the end, Mhm.
does the developer also do the same thing? Is it just, I mean, if they're
Yeah,
asking for a BI developer,
correct.
so I'm
Mm.
asking, if I learn this course in year, that should be
Mhm.
sufficient, right?
Yeah, of course, that would be sufficient. The course that we are having right now, here is more than sufficient for as a BI developer, as a data analyst, as a business analyst as well. So
Okay, okay,
yeah,
okay, okay.
yes.
Okay.
As a
How was
BI
that?
developer,
Uh,
it can be a combination of things. See, all these roles are slightly subjective to the
mhm.
organization. They may have you as a BI developer, but they may ask you to develop the BI report that you have created. Okay, or
Okay,
you
okay,
can be
okay.
kept only to create the BI report, and there would be business analyst people who will explain the report that they have. Right. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, both the things can be there.
Okay, thank you. You answered my question. Thank you very much, Abhishek.
Thank you. Thank you, Vasant. No worries. Thank you. Yes, Dr. Arun.
Am I audible, Abhishek?
Yes, Arun.
I've
Sure.
got one question.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any website
Mm-hmm.
available to tell me about the history of AI and the likely trends that are going to happen, such as GPU, when it is going to come into picture? Like that, any website is there or any
Uh,
tool is there?
any website is there to explain the
Trends and history of AI.
trends and history of AI? See, there are a lot of websites, although you can try the AI tools that we have, like ChatGPT and all these. Like they can very easily give you the history and timeline of how AI have worked. Right. So that is all good. Like you can directly try out this website. Yeah, maybe you can the better would be to like directly Gemini or GPT directly use
No,
these tools.
no, sorry, Abhishek.
Hmm.
ChatGPT and Gemini, I tried,
Hmm.
but they're not giving in depth.
Oh, in depth.
Mhm.
Okay.
So, any forum where
Hmm.
experts like yourself or such people are there, so that I can get some
Okay.
insights.
You want to get the you want to understand okay. See, I'm available on LinkedIn. We can connect on LinkedIn. You can let me know what exactly is your doubt. like what exactly you want, like what past you want of the AI, right? Also, I would encourage you to drop your drop your query in the Q&A. My team will definitely figure out a website and send you, right?
Thank you,
Yeah.
Abhishek. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Arun. Thank you. Yes, we can go next.
Hello.
Hi, Vikrant.
Hi, Abhishek.
Yes.
I'm audible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're on.
Okay. So actually, I am belongs to the my experience in the DevOps part. Okay.
Okay, great.
Yeah. As of now, I am working with the DevOps.
Hmm.
Earlier, I have joined this one the like a B10X regarding that automations and Python through the AI. Okay.
Hmm.
But I am not explaining and not able to like expose my skills. And if I want to transform like a DevOps to developer parts, okay, like a
Hmm.
Python with the AI. So if I also joined your session like a 30-day Python with AI, okay.
Okay.
So could you guide me like how to transfer my domain and what is the way and how to that explore like a experience if
Correct.
I yeah
Got it. See, I think the best case scenario for whenever I suggest or I talk with DevOps candidate is that don't target data scientist or data analyst roles. If you really want to target, go ahead, target that. But if you are already from the DevOps background, I would suggest you to target something called LLM ops or ML ops. ML ops is a bigger domain now, or maybe data engineering, right?
okay
Because you already have idea about the tools which other people would be difficult for other people to get idea of, because
yeah
you know that you, in order to get the idea of all the tools that you have understanding of, either it would take them some time to understand those tools and get hands on with them, right? So for you, the tools are just part of your life, right? They are daily part of your life and you use them very easily, right? But if you have got some understanding on ML side, you can easily transition into an ML ops where some understanding about ML and major
okay
understanding about the ops is required, right? So a DevOps is a bigger role, ML ops is a smaller role with some specialization in ML side. Okay. So
okay
and then goes with data engineering. Similar thing is with the data engineering where the things are very specific to the infra side and ops side. So data engineering, ML ops, LLM ops. Now upcoming is agent ops. So I don't find this particular domain stopping anytime soon. So
okay.
yeah, I would
Actually,
highly encourage you to.
actually I have learned Python,
Hmm.
but I am struggling like where to use it and how to
Hmm.
develop and how
Correct.
to
Got it. Huh.
so
So
that's why I
hmm.
want to know like
Correct.
can you guide me which one roles and which one domain for
Yes.
suitable me
Yes. Sure.
along with my profile as of
Sure.
now.
Sure, Vikrant. So what you can do is you can target ML ops, data engineering, these things as a role you want to target. Okay,
Okay.
target these particular roles where your ML and Python understanding that you have got will be implemented along with your previous experience that you have in DevOps. Okay, so both the things will go hand in hand, and you will be utilizing your prior experience. That is one thing. Second thing is how you can utilize it. Create an end-to-end pipeline. You can ask ChatGPT or Gemini, anyone, and
Yeah,
ask them for creating an end-to-end pipeline of machine learning project. Okay.
machine learning. Got it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
end-to-end pipeline of machine learning project. So let's say you use AWS, okay, for
okay.
example.
Yeah,
So it will guide you for building the data ETL pipeline, then
yeah.
storing the data in the S3 bucket, then
Hmm.
creating an EC2 instance, then running the SageMaker pipeline for model training, then
Yeah,
creating the
I know about that infra. Like, okay, how
correct.
to create the EC2 instance, how to
Exactly.
create the
I know
deep
that. I know that you know
like
that.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. So
So,
all these things will be come into the practical with ML side when you create an end-to-end pipeline. Okay. So
so
in that, infra side will be covered that you already know, and ML side would be the ML model, the machine learning model, the data pre-processing. All that initial step will come from the ML side, from the Python, from the AI side. that you want to integrate. So
So
AI
as
and
so
infra
that
is a
that
good.
means whatever you have guided me, I can understand. So as of now, I am creating the infra like Terraform and another
Correct,
tools,
correct,
and
right.
also Python library like
Hmm.
Boto through to create Boto 3 to creating the resources.
Got it,
Okay,
got it.
but you said like that MLLM, okay, machine
Hmm.
learning. So you
Hmm.
mean see how you mean see I need to learn like machine learning, like how to create the pipeline and what is the deployment.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So now in order to implement, see, Python alone can't be implemented using infra, right?
Yeah.
You need, either we will be training the model or doing the inferencing or testing the model or getting the prediction. So for
Okay.
all of these things, we need to get the machine learning understanding, right? So you need to get the understanding of machine learning, okay? And you already have the information about the infra. So the
Yeah,
combination of this would be an end-to-end machine learning pipeline, okay?
but
You can,
but
yeah.
actually Abhishek, I'm not
Mm.
like good for the coding part. That's why I'm ascribed
Got
the
it.
machine
Got it.
learning.
That is all right.
Okay.
That is all right. See, you are
Yeah.
good. I know that you are very good at infra side, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why I
Correct.
suggested you ML ops, because ML ops is the role which requires some understanding on the ML side, but major understanding on the ops side. So you already
Okay.
have the understanding about the ops side. Okay.
Yeah. Infra side. Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
And ML side, small understanding can
Mm.
make a big difference and can get you a very good role. The packages of ML ops engineer at the remote role are around half a crore or 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs. These are the
I
packages
know.
that I have seen of
I know.
even, yeah, 3 4 years of experience, guys.
Yeah. So can I refer you like I need to learn MLOps? Correct.
Correct. Right. Right.
Okay. So is there any session here, B10X, MLOps regarding?
Yeah, all our sessions, like if you see, you can connect with the support team here. Okay. There won't be a very specific thing about MLOps, but if you search MLOps, there are different requirements and skill sets that are there, right? So all these skill sets are covered in some of our courses, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
So can you suggest me any URL, any articles, any channels I need to learn about that MLOps?
For MLOps? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So let me do one thing. You can just drop a text about in the chat box in the Q&A about I want MLOps course. Okay, my team here will send you the course link that we have right now. Okay, that
Okay,
cover most of these MLOps concepts. Okay, so
okay,
see, ops you already have understanding of. It's majorly the ML part that you need to get understanding, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So that you can integrate both of these, right? So focus on the ML part now, because ops you already have good idea. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Still, if
it's
you have
okay.
problem, I would highly encourage you to right now drop a text in the Q&A, and my team will send you the ML course link there, so that you can integrate your ops understanding with the ML understanding. Okay. Still, if you
Okay.
face problem, you have my LinkedIn. You can let me.
Can you share your LinkedIn profile? Then I
Sure,
will.
sure. My team will share that in the chat.
Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, Vedant.
Yeah.
Yes, we can go next.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Meenakshi, we can hear you.
Hello. Hey,
Yep.
hi. Actually, I want to ask about I have 11-year gaps and I'm switching my profile completely.
Hmm.
I have done MSc in biotechnology
Hmm.
and I have 2 years of experience in quality analysis, and
Hmm.
I'm now switching into this. I want to do this data scientist, data analyst thing. So I'm totally confused how to start, how to do all these things. Exactly,
Okay.
I'm not getting it.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. No worries. No worries. I will help you there. So see, 11 year of experience is slightly hard to cover. Okay. But what we can do is we can cover it with mentioning that maybe you got married or something. Like, is that something we can assume?
Because of some personal reason,
Personal
because of
reason. Okay.
kids and all,
Got it.
I
Got
have
it.
to
Yeah.
take
So
11-year gap.
So you can mention the exactly same reason when you are mentioning that in the interview. Now, in order
Okay.
to cover that, what we can do is you
Mm-hmm.
can start with a smaller with a less technical role, that is, let's say, business analyst or data analyst. Okay.
Okay.
And since you have a background in medical side of things, right, and bio side of things,
Yes.
what you can do is you can target a few startups or few organizations which are in their domain, in this domain, right? And having the understanding of, once you get the understanding here about AI and data analysis part, you can implement that
Okay.
with your, you can make certain projects that would have the bio element in and your degree element into it. For example, let's
Means exactly, I'm not understanding. Means I should target that pharma companies and
exactly that's the word,
okay.
pharma. So pharma based startups are already very booming, right? Pharma and
Okay.
healthcare brands are very booming, like
Okay.
1mg and all the other pharma brands and startups are booming, right? So you can
Okay.
target all these startups. Now the only thing that you need to do is get the understanding of the AI and data analysis side. Okay. Right, data analysis, AI and machine learning side of things, right, till whatever far you want to you can understand. For example, if you are good till data analysis, okay, then target business analysis and data analysis role in these pharma companies and in general as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
getting the idea. Hmm. Hmm.
I have to do that MI also,
ML
machine
as well,
learning also.
yes.
See ML because
Hmm.
in this course I have covered that Python, SQL, Power BI, and all
Hmm.
that I
Hmm.
have covered mainly, which
Correct.
required in the data science. ML
Data
I have
analysis.
not done yet, and I have
Correct,
no idea also yet.
correct, got it,
And I
got the
want to
idea.
ask one more question.
Yeah.
Does it matter that age factor also? I'm 38, so
No, age factor does not, will not play that much bigger role. Okay, although,
okay.
but still, if you want to, I don't think it will play a bigger role at all. Right? Yeah. So you can be chill on that side. I have seen people with what 45, 47 years of age making a transition. They are just about to retire, making a transition into that field. Yeah. So I have seen a nurse from a medical background, a nurse, proper nurse, with a 2 years gap, making a transition to a data scientist in the healthcare field. So yeah, these kind of transition are there as
And
examples.
I actually preferring only
Mm.
work from home kind of thing. So
Yeah, of course, data analysis and the field and the market right now is very booming, and you can of course
okay.
target these kind of roles. And yeah, there are good number of people and everyone. Uh, good roles so that you can target very easily. Yeah.
And how should I start in resume? This only certification will not help me. Say I have done this and that. I have knowledge of this. I think I have to add some project and all also, and where to get it and what kind of things I should do.
Hmm. Sure. So the projects would be there. The a lot of things would be there, like projects. You need to add the skill set is what you need to add. You need to figure out what are the skill sets are required for the data analysis role, for the machine, for the business analyst role that you need, right?
Okay.
So yeah, these kind of things you would require. Okay. So
And
yeah.
projects, any kind of project which I will find on the YouTube or
Hmm.
anything, because
No, the project, see, you need to make a combination of certain projects. Like some of the projects would be on the medical side, and some of the projects would be on the on this on your general side, right? So because you want to target general industry as well, right? So make some projects on the medical side, for example, cancer prediction data or any disease prediction data set. Okay, so maybe couple of
okay,
projects on that, and a couple of projects in general projects. Maybe one e-commerce project and another projects from the IT industry, like that. So your
okay.
profile would be like varied. Okay.
And can you suggest me from where can I get these projects and the data to make
Mm.
this, and
See,
from where
for
can I
the
get the help?
yeah, for the data set, it's always Kaggle and GitHub that we prefer. Okay, to get
Okay.
the authentic data. So you can
Hmm.
just type disease data set on Kaggle and you will find it. For example, let me show you disease dataset Kaggle. See, it automatically comes, and you can option any of these dataset. Okay, let's say this is a disease symptom dataset. You can pick up and download this particular dataset. And if you
Okay.
want to see what analysis you can do, either you can submit this dataset, some part of the dataset to ChatGPT, or you can
Okay.
find it in the code section. You can see a lot of people have done good understanding. A lot of people have worked on this data set. You can see their notebooks, like what exactly they have
So
worked.
we can see their projects also for
Yeah,
the
you
reference and
can.
how to
Yes,
go
yes,
for
yes.
it.
Yeah, absolutely. You can see, if you click on this, you will see everything. What is the input they have given? What is the output they have got? The notebook that they have created. See, all of their code will be there. So you can download that
Okay.
very easily. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this we should mention in the resume or
Yeah.
how to show them, just to tell them that I have done this project and all, or they
Yeah.
how they
Hmm. How
how
you
to
can
show.
showcase. Hmm.
Huh.
So what you can do is you can submit this code to ChatGPT and ask him that I want to explain this project, or I want to showcase this project in the resume, right? So
Okay.
he will write 3-4 lines for your resume. Okay. But ideally the situation should be, you would first have to do this complete project on your own after downloading, and then you
Okay.
have to tell ChatGPT like, I want to make this project mine, so how to write it in my resume. Then he will help you in writing.
Okay. Actually, I have no idea what happened in the interviews and all, how they ask you what you have done, okay, but how we will get to know you're done
Got
or
it.
not. See, I
Okay.
got that GitHub idea. So we have whatever we make, what any project we make, we have to add over there,
Hmm.
and
Yeah, yeah, of
and
course.
uh,
GitHub,
we can
GitHub.
show over there that I have done this
Exactly.
Python, Power BI, SQL, all the projects we can submit over there.
Yeah, yeah, we can submit all the projects. We can upload all the projects. Don't worry,
And
Nancy. Don't get stressed out. What you can do is you can reach out to our support team, or if you want to reach out to me personally, you can tag me on LinkedIn as well. I have dropped my LinkedIn
okay,
on the chat. Okay,
okay,
you can
yeah,
reach out to me on LinkedIn, and we can have a
okay,
discussion. Okay, don't worry.
okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much. Thank you.
thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you. Yes, Money. How are you?
Hello. Hi, Abhishek. This is Mani here. Can you hear me?
Hi, Money. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Uh, I am a finance professional. I have got about 27 years of experience.
Sure.
So, out of which 22 years is working, and the remaining 5 years, the last 5 years now, I'm as a finance consultant.
Okay.
My intention of joining this course was to change over and do something in AI. What I'm trying to say is, I want to create like a second career.
Hmm.
Okay. Now in AI, I am more interested as of now. Still, I am
Mhm.
learning. I have not completed.
Mhm.
I have got a lot of interest in all those items like automation, all those items like developing dashboards, all those
Mhm.
items like creating scenarios for people, so simulation, etc. Not exactly
Correct.
data analysis,
Correct.
but what make or what N8N types, where I
Got
can
it.
help people in automation. Now, my question is not related to AI. My question is, I have got a LinkedIn profile. I have got a resume which talks of 27 years of finance experience. I
Got it.
am not able to put myself into the world saying that I am an AI generalist or I want to be an AI generalist and that I can do this for you, this for you, this for you. So, how do I put myself to the world, or should I join some forums? I don't know whether there are forums or etc. I'm not able to change my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn already talks of CFO of a foreign bank in India, blah blah blah. So I cannot change that.
Okay. Okay. Where exactly you have worked, Money, if I can know?
I am Mumbai based. I have worked mostly in foreign banks. I have grown over in their finance team to become finally group CFO when I quit. After that, I started finance consultancy.
Okay.
Predominantly in the financial sector. And of course, there are certain areas like risk management and ops risk management, etc., where I have done my consultancy also.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
domain of finance, it is everything, right from what you call as bookkeeping to accounting to reporting to MIS. Okay, in most of the
Okay.
cases, as a senior person, I was the approver for certain projects, which could
Okay.
be a Power BI
Got
project
the
or
got the
automation,
idea.
etc.
Got the
That's
idea.
the background.
Yeah. So, see, it for you the transition would be very easy. Okay. The first thing that you need to learn is how exactly you can use data in the finance field, right? So you can get the finance data from Kaggle and different sources that you already know, right? And I have shown.
Yes.
Okay. So get some data around finance and your domain. Okay. Figure out what are the problems that finance industry or institutes are right now facing. Like for
Yeah.
example, one is fraud detection, right? So try
Yes.
to do some analysis on fraud detection, get the data, try to run some algorithm, try to get some results. okay, so that you can have some results and something to showcase in your hand, right? So that is one of the best thing that you can
Yeah, Abhishek, sorry. I think the direction is my question may not have been clear. I am not saying that I have where should I look for data set, what should I create.
Okay,
I am
okay.
trying to say that if you look at my profile, it talks finance. I want it to talk AI generalist. So how do I put myself to the world? I cannot erase my LinkedIn. I cannot erase my
Got it.
CV.
Okay.
You understood? It is
Yeah.
not what I can, maybe if I look at some data sets, I can maybe attempt, I might fail a couple of times, but as you say, I will get it done. I will do it properly on fourth attempt, fifth attempt, everything. But
Okay.
how do I tell the world I am now outside the finance world? I am an AI generalist.
Hmm.
What should I do? Where should I reach out?
Mm,
I'm
okay.
even ready to go to a shopkeeper and say that you are busy in the shop, so I will do your online posting to Facebook, Insta, etc. by N8N. I am ready to do that, but I am not able to put myself as an AI journalist in the world.
Correct. Yeah.
That's
So,
it.
how you can put that? See, I need to look into your profile once, okay, to able to guide you how
Sure.
exactly you can look into. So
Sure.
maybe you can drop me your LinkedIn, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and I will look into your profile once, okay, and
Definitely.
I'll guide you, okay, and you can drop your you can connect with me on LinkedIn.
Yes.
Also, you can drop your LinkedIn in the Q&A, okay. My team will respond to it, okay.
Yes, obviously. And are there any groups, forums where I can join, participate, and get involved in AI related matters?
Yeah,
Generalist
there are,
AI.
yeah, there are very good communities written like there are Google developer communities that are run across various almost all the tier 2 and tier 1 cities, and even tier 3 cities as well, where you can join with them. And you can I regularly take as I regularly buy invited as a speakers on these forums, so you can connect with good people around these communities. So Google developer community is the one. Then there is
Okay.
AWS community
Okay.
that you can connect with, and you can get a good idea about a bunch of things.
Great.
Yeah, Mani.
Good. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, Vinita. How I can help you? Hello. Hi, Vinita. We can't hear you.
Right now?
Yeah, it's better. Yes.
Okay. So my question was, when I'm working on an notebook, Jupyter notebook, and I was trying various models at the time, but problem was it was hard to keep track of every variations at a time side by side. So I have also seen one option that Zoho Analytics, so where we can work on various models at the same time, and they produce a report for you. But I don't think it is a safe option for a long term.
Yeah, of course. So what exactly you are looking for as an output?
So, what is the most feasible option? Means what? How do you
Do you want to what exactly you are looking at? You want to analyze the
writing
model?
report? Working is fine, everything, but when writing report, it is very tough for me.
Okay, writing report out of the analysis that you have got.
Yes.
Okay, got it. See, there are a good number of tools right now that are popping up for getting the tools. You want an AI tool altogether, or you want yourself to
Or
get it?
other methods, so I can keep track of the things side by side, and it will not get messy.
Okay, so basically you get a Power BI report or a data analysis report, okay, after a project, and you want to analyze that using a AI tool or maybe in general tool for that.
No, I want to create a report after completing my analysis.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the report basically insights of it.
Yes.
Or maybe it may be a AI tool, or it may be a in general tool, so that can help you to learn.
Yes. Miss, what method do you usually use to create report?
See, I personally, in the organizations that I have worked with, we there generally use there are experienced business analysts and data analyst people. Okay, they have their in-house bot that is developed, and they work that bot kind of developed everything, right? But there is a very smart things that have developed right now, that is in Copilot. Have you used Copilot, Microsoft Copilot?
Not for report writing.
Okay, so there is a tool with the name Smart Narrative in Copilot, right?
Okay.
So yeah, Smart Narrative or Narrative Visual with Copilot that auto generates a written summary of insights directly inside the report. Okay, so also you can use something called Power BI Copilot, right? So Power BI Copilot can be used to create and edit your report using prompts, right? Then there is one very common thing that we use in the industry is Looker Studio, right? So it's a Google stack, Gemini panel plus generate slide dashboard, right? So Looker Studio, Microsoft Copilot, and then there is Smart Narrative or Narrative with Copilot. These are few things. Power BI Copilot. These are few things that you can use. Yeah. Okay.
One more question. When we are in Hugging Face, what are the how can we select a model? If we want to select an LLM model or this
Okay.
photo.
You want to select the model with the in the Hugging Face.
Yes.
LLM model basically.
So
Hmm.
if we want to understand, means many things are going on that site, and it is hard to follow.
Got it.
So how to narrow down your selections?
Okay. I think you can first thing is there is an option of filter. Okay, so you can apply the filter by task. Like if let's say your task is text generation or it is something else. Okay, you can filter out by the task. Okay, so filter out according to your task. Maybe it is text generation or whatever it is. Okay, and the other option that I use is once the task is like the models are filtered out, I open the particular model page and then try to read the model card, that is intended use, training data, the limitation of the model, okay, the safety notes where the model can be used, where the model cannot be used. Okay, and then because I require state of the art results, so what I do is I compare the quality of the open LLM leaderboards, right? The benchmark scores basically I try to compare. So comparison of their leaderboard, their benchmark results, selecting the right model with the filter that is provided on Hugging Face, and then opening the model page and looking into their model card, that is intended use and training data, the limitations. So if you are fine with the limitations, if you are fine with the results, the training data that it is having, yeah, then you can select the model according to it. Okay.
So this parameter thing is important, right? Means, for this
Parameter, of course.
volume thing.
Yes. That is how we select. It's all about the parameters and the final output the model can give.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Hi, Pooja.
Yeah, hi Abhishek. I'm Pooja Vaishnavi, and I have 5 years experience in data engineer analysis. I'm currently on maternity leave. So to fill up the gap and to learn more about AI enhancement, I joined B10X. When I was working, I used to find difficulty to, give the code to the AI, and whatever it gives to decode it and everything, I used to find it difficult. So that's why I joined it and I'm learning
Got
daily.
it.
Yeah, and currently I'm going through all the Python and SQL courses and everything. I am actually looking work from home job as I have very young kid.
Got it.
So will this help me to find the work from home jobs, because the jobs portal in the LM I mean
LLM,
the
LMS.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah, it is not working. So how
Okay.
can
Okay.
it be helpful for me?
Okay. So if it is not working for you, then you can drop a text in the Q&A. Okay. The supporting number is there. You can reach out to them. Okay. If the LMS is not working, or any part
Yeah.
of LMS is not working. Okay. It should be working. That is one thing. Second thing about the remote job opportunities that you are looking at, definitely all the roles that you are going to learn here, may it be ML engineer, data analyst, business analyst, all of them have a tremendous amount of remote jobs right now. Okay, because the US market is slightly shifting toward the remote role. They are hiring talent across the globe, right? So this is the best time for us as Indians to at least look into and get the remote roles in our plate. So yeah, so this is a very right time and right market, and you are in the right course to do it. In order to fulfill that, just focus on the project, just focus on your profile building, just focus on doing good projects and learning everything that is being taught in the course, right? And that too with good intent. Yeah, that would be more than sufficient. Okay.
Yeah, like at the end of the course, after 6 months, like will this be helpful, or I manually need to go to LinkedIn and everything, and I have to.
See, at the end of the day, it is a combination that would work. I
Okay.
graduated from IIT, but still, it was always a combination that worked for me, right? I got the role that I'm in right now, in my previous organization as well. It was all about the combination that worked for me. So yeah, that is the case. So it's always has to be the combination. If you are getting a better opportunity on LinkedIn, why would you settle for something that we are providing, right? So it's
Okay.
always the right combination that would work, and you
So
and me together has to get you placed. So
yeah,
that
definitely I'm going to search, but at your end, you are also like will the portal will be working and everything, right?
yeah,
We can
of course,
yeah,
it should be working. There might be some
uh,
technical glitch at the back end, but yeah,
yeah,
it is working. Yeah,
sure. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you. Hi Shrikant, I think you are back. Last session also you were there, right?
Hello, hi Abhishek.
Yeah. Were
Thanks
you there in
for
the last session as well?
yes, but I didn't get a chance for no, that second was
Ah,
different. I think
no,
you
no, no.
asked about family and this one, right?
Yes,
No,
yes,
no,
yes. And
not
you'd
that
get a
second.
chance, yeah. You got the chance.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
Abhishek, actually,
Ah.
I'm carrying 10 years of experience in the finance and
Mm-hmm.
accounts. I'm working as
Mm-hmm.
a accounts payable analyst, senior
Mm-hmm.
analyst.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm little bit confused right from when I started enrolled with B10X. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
not clear myself that like to which module I can start and I can start looking into the job. Can you advise me like which module I can start and complete this course and start looking into the jobs? Or is it anything that is closely relevant to my profile that I can start with and it must
Mm-hmm.
have good scope in the market where I can switch
Shrikant.
my job. Yeah.
Okay, Shrikant. For that, I need to look into your LinkedIn profile once. Then
Hmm.
only I could suggest you like what are the roles that you should target as per your background or previous experience. Okay. So do one thing.
Hmm.
Drop your LinkedIn profile um, in the chat. Okay. Or,
Okay.
or or connect with me on LinkedIn. Just give me a hi on LinkedIn, and
Okay.
I'll surely look into it. Okay.
But just little bit concerned how you will get to know that I am from this this age and
I can't forget Shrikant from Family
oh.
Man. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for the authority. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. And B10X is always special for me. So it on my LinkedIn there is automatically a filter for whoever from B10X text me on LinkedIn. So there is always a special filter of urgent
Okay.
reply that I want to give. So don't worry.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi Srinivas. Hello. Hello. Hi, Srinivas. Can you hear us? Hello. Oh, Srinivas can't hear us. Okay, we can go with Gurdeep. Gurdeep? Gurdeep seems to be gone as well. Uh, Team, we can go with Aruna next. Hi, Aruna. Seems like people raise their hand and they forget. Sheikh is there. Hi, Sheikh.
Yes.
Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Oh, Aruna is also there. Oh, Sheikh, can we get back to you on that?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Aruna. Yes,
हेलो सर
yes.
मैं हिंदी में बात करना चाहती हूँ एक्चुअली
हाँ, बताइए अरुणा.
सर मैं मतलब एक गायनिक हॉस्पिटल में अभी वर्किंग कर रही हूँ लास्ट 4 ईयर से
Sure.
मतलब जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज होते हैं उनका ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन बर्थ रिकॉर्ड करना और
बिल्कुल.
डाटा एनालिसिस करना लेकिन अभी
Okay.
जो एआई में सीख रही हूँ मेरे लिए बहुत नया है मतलब
Got it.
ऑटोमेशन जो है वो मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट मैं सीख नहीं मतलब मुझे वो नहीं आ रहा है तो
Okay. आप
और
कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं? वो कोडिंग के एंड पे है, वो मैथमेटिक्स के एंड पे है, वो सिंटेक्स के एंड पे है, कहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली आप प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं?
मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि है ना एक्चुअली द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज दो इसमें है ना 2 सेशन हो रहे हैं एक सैटरडे और संडे और सैटरडे को मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रही हूँ क्योंकि वो क्लास इवनिंग को है
करेक्ट.
और जो संडे का जो सेशन रहता है वो मॉर्निंग में रहता है ना तो मैं अटेंड नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि वो मेरा
टाइम से क्लैश कर रहा है.
हाँ
गॉट इट.
और मैं बाद में करना चाहती हूँ ना
हम्म.
वो जो मिसिंग है वो रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस में करना चाहती हूँ लेकिन वो काम की वजह से मैं ड्यूरिंग सेशन जैसे हो करते हैं ना वैसे नहीं हो पा रहा है मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है और
ओके.
तब तब ऐसे प्रॉब्लम फेसिंग कर रही हूँ कि मैं एक क्लास अच्छे से नहीं कर पा रही
नहीं कर पा रहे. ओके. अरुणा मेरे को इसका बहुत बहुत अच्छा सॉल्यूशन जो है, जो मैं खुद भी अप्लाई करता हूँ जब मैं कोई भी कोर्स नया कुछ सीखता हूँ, तो व्हाट आई डू इज कि मैं जो भी कोर्स चल रहा होता है ना, तो उसके साथ व्हाट आई डू, मैं उसको है ना बीच बीच में पॉज करके आई ट्राई टू डू द सेम थिंग. मैं जो
हाँ
कोर्स में सिखा रहे हैं ना, मैं वही चीज साथ साथ करता जाता हूँ. उससे हो एक्चुअली
हाँ
प्रॉब्लम क्या है हमारे साथ, हम जब है ना एक ही स्क्रीन को या फिर एक ही ह्यूमन को बहुत देर तक सुनते हैं ना, तो हमारे लिए एक थोड़ा स्लीपिंग मोड ऑन हो जाता है, हमें ना थोड़ा बोर हो जाते हैं, हमारा डिस्ट्रैक्शन होता है, राइट. वो मेरे साथ भी होता है, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. मैं इस फील्ड से होके एज अ मैनेजर इतने साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी आई फेस द सेम थिंग, है ना. वो बहुत नेचुरल है, इट इज वेरी ह्यूमन. ठीक है. तो द प्रॉब्लम है कि हमें ना अपने माइंड को डिस्ट्रैक्ट रखना है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, साइड में आप अपनी एक स्क्रीन खोल दें जहाँ पे आप ऑनलाइन एडिटर खोल दें, पाइथन जैसे आप पढ़ रहे हैं, तो पाइथन में जो भी आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखा रहे हैं, आप उस वीडियो को पॉज करें और खुद से वो हाथों हाथ इंप्लीमेंट करते जाए. अगर आप वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद करने का वेट करेंगे ना, तो ना वो वीडियो खत्म होगी, ना आप वो इंप्लीमेंट कर पाएंगे. ऐसे केस में जनरली ऐसा होता है, राइट. तो इस केस में मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं वीडियो को पॉज करता हूँ एंड मैं साथ साथ करता जाता हूँ. सो दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. आप एक बार ये ट्राई करके देखें एंड द नेक्स्ट Q&A आप मुझे फिर से बताइएगा इफ दिस
हाँ
वर्क्स.
हाँ और एक क्वेश्चन है मैं जो अभी हॉस्पिटल में न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज का वीडियो बनाती हूँ मतलब हॉस्पिटल के लिए जो प्रमोशन रहता है ना वो
करेक्ट,
सोशल मीडिया के लिए मैं वो पोस्ट करती हूँ
करेक्ट.
तो मुझे अभी यूजिंग एआई मुझे वो अच्छे से मतलब प्रो वीडियो बनाना है
तो
तो
आप
उसके
यूज
लिए
कर सकते हैं. हाँ, आप जेमिनाई करके एक टूल है, जेमिनाई का प्रो वर्जन है दैट यू कैन यूज. कैनवा का भी प्रो वर्जन है, उसमें भी एआई इंटीग्रेटेड है अब. तो आप कैनवा
हाँ,
और जेमिनाई इन दोनों को आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. यहाँ से आप आराम से एक अच्छी खासी एडिटेड एआई वीडियो यू कैन जनरेट.
और ये जो मैं करती हूँ ना सर अभी ये लिंक्डइन में मैं कर सकती हूँ अब मतलब जो भी मैं वर्किंग कर रही हूँ कैनवा में बहुत सारे मैंने वीडियोस बनाए हैं तो अभी मतलब मुझे फ्रीलांसिंग का भी मुझे आगे जाके करना है
हाँ, बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हैं ना. आप अपनी अपने अकाउंट बना सकते हैं अपवर्क, और यहाँ पे आप अपना अकाउंट बना सकते हैं और उसके बाद आप कर सकते हैं. डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल. बहुत अच्छा
मुझे
ऑप्शन है ये.
इंग्लिश का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है सर मुझे इंग्लिश समझ में आता है लेकिन जब मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ ना तो कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा लूज हो जाता है,
ओके
तो
ओके
कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं होता, तो
हम्म
वो मेरे जॉब के लिए वो मतलब अड़चन आ रही है।
ओके, समझ गया। तो इसके लिए आप आसपास जो आपके इवेंट्स होते हो उनसे आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। आपके आसपास जो लोग हैं जो थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं, आप उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन, मतलब यू कैन डू इट, है ना,
जॉब
यही
लग
करें।
जाएगा ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, श्योर अनुना, मतलब दिस इज द पाथ, है ना, आपको इसी पाथ पे चलते जाना है।
अच्छा,
यस यस।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू अनुना। हाय शेख, यस वी कैन गो नाउ।
Hi, Abhishek.
हाय।
Actually, I'm a computer engineer. I'm just doing with IT support engineering as well as server support, network support, and we have IT operation.
ओके।
As joined as just need to learn about Gen AI. So I have questions.
Go for it.
And so, which Gen AI use case provide the highest ROI IT operation?
Which Gen AI?
Gen AI use case provide the highest ROI in IT operations.
See, that is very subjective, I would say, to the specific industry or the specific domain in the industry, IT industry that you are targeting. Can you
Yeah,
give me some domain? Like, see, highest ROI, if I can tell you, in general case, okay,
yeah,
it would be like ITSM ticket deflection and plus self service,
yeah.
something like LLM help
Incident
desk.
analysis, yeah, yeah, like
Correct. Right.
generation, code
So
generation.
LLM help desk chatbot, something like that.
Yeah,
And then there
yeah,
is something that I have personally worked on, that is incident request classifying
yeah,
bot, right? So which will
yeah.
assign the right resolver group and set the priority of the incident, and yeah, and can resolve the incident if it is a agentic version as well. Then there is some runbook automation via chat ops, right? So it is safe, it is approved, it will restart, scale, and clear the queue, and
Yeah.
it can give you the configs checks with the guardrails as well. So these are the few things, few ROI,
Okay.
high ROI. Yeah.
Yeah. And one more thing I need to clarify. MLO and ML. What is the difference between this
ML
MLO?
ML ops. Okay,
Yeah.
ML ops. You are saying. See, ML engineer,
Yeah.
ML ops engineer. They are two
Yeah.
different roles. ML engineer is someone who worked with ML engineering and machine learning domain and specific things. Right?
So far we didn't talk about this. We didn't learn about this.
You didn't learn about this.
Yeah, yeah,
So that's this is a part of the course. So you will
yeah.
be learning about all these things.
There is upcoming session. Is there ML
See,
ops?
on MLOps, see, this is a very generic Q&A session. So there can be different people ask different things. Okay. So you
Mm.
don't like, this is not very specific to our course. Okay. This is
Mm.
in general, like you saw Aruna asking about things
Yeah.
from, right, from his medical science background.
Mm.
Right.
Mm.
So there it is a generic session. So people can ask anything, whatever they want. Right. It may not be very specific to our course. First thing. Second thing, the things that are covered in the ML ops, they all are covered in our courses as well. Okay. And ML engineer is someone who works on ML side, model building, training, fine tuning, and all these things. ML ops is a
Yeah.
role, is a someone who has idea about machine learning, but he all has idea about the infrastructure and ops side of the things as well.
Okay.
Ops side means
Okay.
certain tools that would be required to scale up the machine learning model and to deploy.
What are the tools, Abhishek? Can you just tell me the tools that
There are
MLO
very
creates?
a lot of tools. AWS tools are there. Then there is Google Cloud Platform tools are there. So yeah,
And Microsoft Azure as well.
Microsoft Azure as well. So three big
Yeah.
companies has three different big platforms for
Mhm.
MLOps.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. I
Thanks
hope
a
I
lot.
answered that answer. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Hi Gurdeep, are you there? Gurdeep. Vedi, are you there? Mhm. Nahi. Maheshwar, are you there? Sukanya? Are you there? Yeah.
Presently, I'm working with two companies,
Oh, okay.
and I joined
Hello.
session.
Hi, Sukanya.
Hi, Abhishek.
Yes.
Uh, Actually, I am working as an associate professor in engineering college.
Okay, great.
I have finished my PhD also.
Okay, great.
I was very interested to know the things around us, morely
Hmm.
about AI.
Hmm.
Is it a right decision to shift my career?
What exactly you want to do in AI, that it depends on that. See, if you want to get into the research side of things, there are research associate and research engineers as well, AI engineers, research engineers as well. Okay. So
Actually, I don't have any idea where I can move.
sure, you can go to the AI engineer domain. Okay, you can target the research analyst as well. You can target research engineers as well. These are some of the domains that are booming right now. And since you being already have done your PhD and deeper understanding on these things, so you can target these roles very easily. I
Okay,
myself
to
come for from the research background as well. So I have done a lot of research and regularly do the research at my end.
actually if I am very interested towards research,
Hmm.
what actually I should more focus on?
Yeah, so you should more focus on LLMs right now, because that is something that is booming. On every other day there is a new research paper, maybe by OpenAI engineers or Google engineers or Amazon people, that is changing the market and changing the way we work in AI. So these are the things you should be more focused around, like getting the understanding till LLM and then working on things in LLM, right? Yeah.
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 Actually, I am from electronics background.
Oh, okay. Okay. You didn't mention that. And sorry that I assumed.
No, no issues.
Okay.
Uh,
So you want to do
I
the
am
research
very
in
interested
electronics
in
only.
computer science. So
Okay.
I've done so much NPTEL courses as it is going
Hmm.
on in IIT Madras.
Hmm.
So I have done most of the courses in computer science. So I have more knowledge in the computer science.
Okay. So you have done your PhD in computer related domain, or is it electronics related domain?
Yeah, I have done
Hmm.
in computer architecture.
Then you are not from electronics background. You already have switched to the computer background. If you have done the PhD
No,
in
not much, not
uh,
much.
mhm. But yeah, I think you are very highly feasible to get the research and get the idea about the computer architecture side of for big companies. See, Adobe is one very big company. Oracle is another big company. They hire for computer architectures. Salesforce is someone who hire for computer architecture. They want research people out there. And since you are good at architecture side, so I would highly suggest you to look into the architecture of existing LLM, see if you can find out some novel solution out of it. Try to connect with other professors and assistant professors in some IITs, NITs, and foreign colleges, and try to get publish some good paper and try to then approach the research organizations. There are a lot of research that is going on these things, and a good amount of money is there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Still, if you face any problem, you have my LinkedIn. You can let me know. We can discuss over it. Don't worry. Okay. Maybe we can write a paper together.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Mahesh. Maheshwar. Can you hear us? So, Maheshwar. Okay. No worries. Gurdeep, are you there?
Yeah, exactly. I left with my question.
Oh,
Due
okay.
to
Yes.
Wi-Fi challenge,
Okay.
we
Okay.
got disconnected.
Yeah.
Basically, I joined your course to enhance my, career,
Hmm.
and in fact, not looking for 9 to 5 job, and that's not doing from last 20 years. I'm
Mm-hmm.
a freelancer for the last 20 years, doing ISO consultancy
Okay.
in various standards. And some, company wants me to help in their improving their qualities, product quality, and all that.
Correct. Correct. Got it. Got
And
it.
exactly that is very, uh, specific now. This AI field, I think, will help me to enhance my certification of different kind of things.
Hmm.
Like,
Yeah, of course. Hmm.
you see, this is all generic,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
and it can help in any field. AI will help you in any field.
Yeah.
In fact, I talked to my present HRD head of the
Hmm.
company.
Hmm. Hmm.
He told me to join me also. He's also retired consultant.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So, Mike, basically, I left with
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
question.
Yes. Can you come to the question? Yeah.
How can I these things like data analytics, and I'm not very in IT. I can
Okay.
audit IT. In fact, I'm doing audits for the IT
Mm-hmm.
as in guidelines with the standard. But
Hmm.
how can I enter into these kind of things, because I didn't have any kind of basic knowledge,
Hmm.
did I get some? I attended your prompt engineering. I attended your other,
Correct. Correct.
sessions,
Right.
report
Got it. Got
session,
it.
your
Yeah.
session also. In fact, last QS session also.
Correct. Correct.
Please.
Okay, so the very simple roadmap is like that we follow in our course as well. You can get started with Python. Okay, that is the very basic thing. So get started with Python firstly, and then learn some BI tools. Okay, and learn before the BI tool, learn the extensions of Python, like the libraries in Python. Try to get some data. Try to get your hands dirty on data with EDA and data cleaning and all pre-processing these things. Okay, so that you can get accustomed to data science and data analysis part of things, right? And once you are good with that, once you're good in handling the data, then you can start building AI model and train the model and get the things done, right? So yeah, this is how the roadmap works. Okay, there is no surprise, nothing, no something like I can tell you and you will become rock star on the like night
No,
of
no,
night basis. Yeah,
not.
so it's
See,
yeah, so the simple thing is like you need to start from Python and
okay.
get your like create your notebooks. Like for me, I have created 200 plus notebooks on Python and on Python and AI. That's how I have learned as well. And that's how everyone should learn as well. And at least I suggest everyone to learn it in the same way. Don't directly jump onto Gen AI or maybe agentic AI for that matter. Okay. We in our course also follow a curriculum, right? So that is very specially and very beautifully designed by a lot of industry professionals and researchers out there. So whenever we decide the curriculum, it's all about how keeping eye on all the different profile people, right? So follow that curriculum and get started with Python, and then do small steps and try to get hands on all the modules. Okay, whatever topic you are understanding, get the hands on it.
The Python, sorry, I'm
Mm.
interrupting you. Python is yet to be started by, you have such sections on the Python also.
Sorry, I don't know what exactly course you are about it.
Python, pardon. I've not seen your curriculum or the course curriculum regarding Python.
Okay,
You
okay.
have course
Uh,
in Python?
Okay, so I'm not sure what curriculum, what course you have joined, but you can reach out to the support team.
Okay,
Yeah, and see if your course curriculum has Python or not. Okay, try to figure that out. And
right.
yeah, if that doesn't work, you can let me know on LinkedIn as well. But our support team will definitely be able to help you in this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I optimized my LinkedIn with your, help. And
Okay.
I'll give a hello to your LinkedIn. Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
great.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank
And
you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, cool then. I think that was the last. I think we have covered everyone
Hello?
today.
Hello?
Hi, Maheshwar. Are you there? Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
We thought we lost you. Yes.
हेलो
Yeah, Maheshwar, please.
सर मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ
हाँ हाँ, प्लीज बताइए महेश्वर जी.
सर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, ये 6 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, ठीक है। मैं डिप्लोमा अंडर में स्टार्टिंग किया था मैं करियर, और
हम्म
2019 में स्टार्ट किया था।
हम्म
और 2022 में मैं बीटेक ज्वाइनिंग किया, 2025 में पास आउट हुआ। तो मेरा
हम्म
टोटल 6 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस है। लेकिन
हम्म
मैं जीआई में, जैसे कि नॉन टेक्निकल में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, आईटी में नॉन टेक्निकल काम। लेकिन अभी मैं जो इंटरव्यू देने के लिए जा रहा हूँ 6 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस का, तो
हम्म
वो बोलेंगे कि ये तुम्हारा ओवरलैपिंग हुआ है करियर, तो उसका
हम्म
सॉल्यूशन मुझे चाहिए, क्या करना है।
ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है इन द सेंस, मैं समझा नहीं।
ओवरलैपिंग मतलब सर, अभी मेरा ये 6 ईयर्स का मतलब एक्सपीरियंस है। मैं कंटिन्यू जॉब कर रहा था, तो डिस्टेंस में मैं बीटेक ज्वाइन किया, तो वो ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है बोल के वो बोल रहे
कंटिन्यूस
हैं।
में आपने क्या ज्वाइन किया, मैं समझा नहीं।
सर 2019 में ये जॉब स्टार्ट किया मैं डिप्लोमा
ठीक
में।
है
डिप्लोमा
ठीक
से पास आउट करके मैं ज्वाइन किया।
है। हम्म
उसके बाद जॉब कंटिन्यू कर रहा था, और 2022 में ज्वाइन ज्वाइनिंग किया बीटेक। तो अभी
ओके
पास आउट हुआ 2025 में। तो
ओके
अभी मैं किधर भी वर्किंग इंटरव्यू या कुछ भी अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, तो वो बोल रहे हैं तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, बोले तो मैं 6 ईयर्स बोलता हूँ, तो वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा ये स्टडी अभी हुआ है, तुम्हारा 6 ईयर ओवरलैपिंग हो रहा है, ऐसे बोल, तो उसका
करेक्ट।
सॉल्यूशन क्या है?
Okay. See, Maheshwar, the things are very clear. Okay. वो they are on their, they are right on their path as well. ठीक है, अगर if you are applying for such organizations, if they are strictly considering, तो आपका जो बीटेक था वो ऑफलाइन था या ऑनलाइन था?
सर ऑफलाइन ऑफलाइन ही था।
ऑफलाइन था ना, तो हाँ वो एक्सपीरियंस में तो फिर वो मतलब इट विल रिड्यूस योर एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल। मतलब मैंने भी जब बीटेक मेरा कर लिया, राइट, वंस आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बीटेक, उसके बाद से ही मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काउंट होता है। उसके पहले मैं
यस।
ऑलरेडी 2 कंपनीज में काम कर चुका था, एंड दैट टू विद
ओके।
बिगर नेम्स। लेकिन वो फिर भी अभी एक्सपीरियंस में काउंट नहीं होगा। तो एक्सपीरियंस में तभी काउंट होता है मेजरली जब हम, या तो हम फ्रीलांसिंग करें और उस समय लेकिन हम कोई डिग्री ना कर रहे हो, राइट, ऑफलाइन में जाके, राइट, या फिर वी वर्क फुल टाइम कहीं पे जाके। सो इन दोनों केसेस में ही इट इज काउंटेड एज अ मतलब फुल टाइम, है ना, इट इज काउंटेड एज एक्सपीरियंस। तो वो तभी एक्सपीरियंस में काउंट होगा। सो दे आर करेक्ट, बट ऑन द सेम हैंड आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप वो 3 साल को है ना, आप उन 3 सालों में ना अपना फ्रीलांसिंग एक्सपीरियंस दिखा सकते हो कि आप बीटेक तो कर रहे थे लेकिन आप फ्रीलांसिंग भी कर रहे थे, राइट। तो इस तरीके
ओके
से
सर।
यू कैन, आप अपने रेज्यूमे में ही दिखा सकते हो कि आप फ्रीलांसिंग भी कर रहे थे स्टार्टअप के साथ, या फिर अपने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे, कुछ अपने पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स आप दिखा सकते हो। एंड यू कैन शो देम कि हाँ आप अपने पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स पे भी काम कर रहे थे बीटेक के साथ ही। सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन डू।
क्योंकि अभी फ्रेशर में जाएंगे तो कंपटीशन ज्यादा है, इसलिए
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
एक्सपीरियंस दिखा के जाना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो गया।
नहीं, बेटर भी है ना, आप आपने ऑफ कोर्स बीच में गैप किया है, आपके बीच में गैप है, तो आप बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन गेट दिस थिंग डन।
सर फ्रेशर में भी अभी जा सकते हैं, फ्रेशर जैसे कि मैं डोमेन अभी चेंज करूंगा तो।
जा सकते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स आप जा सकते हैं, बट अगेन मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि आप दोनों प्रोफाइल बनाएं, एक एक्सपीरियंस वाली भी और एक फ्रेशर वाली भी। अगर कुछ कंपनीज फ्रेशर आपको कंसिडर कर रही हैं तो देखें उसमें वो क्या पैकेज दे रही है, कौन सा रोल दे रही है। अगर आप पैकेज और रोल से आपको सही लग रहा है, कंपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सही है, देन गो फॉर इट ना।
लिंक्डइन तो ऐसे ऑप्टिमाइज नहीं कर सकते ना फ्रेशर और एक्सपीरियंस के लिए।
नहीं, लिंक्डइन तो एक ही रहेगा आपका, वो
तो फिर
रेज्यूमे।
उधर।
हाँ, रेज्यूमे ही आपको ऑप्टिमाइज करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, लिंक्डइन पे एक्सपीरियंस लिखिएगा भी मत। आप लिंक्डइन पे अगर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं भी लिखेंगे तब भी चलेगा। लिंक्डइन पे आप अपना फ्रीलांसिंग भी डाल के रखिए, और उस समय एजुकेशन में भी आपका चल रहा है वो भी डाल के रखिए, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है
ओके,
है ना।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एडवांस।
क्लियर टू, सेम टू यू, सेम टू यू।
सर
ओके।
आपका लिंक्डइन, सर
हाँ,
लिंक्डइन आपका कनेक्ट करने के लिए ये प्रीमियम पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ कनेक्ट तो हुआ लेकिन मेरे
नहीं, आप
क्वेश्चन।
मुझे आप यहाँ तो मुझे फॉलो बटन आ रहा हुआ है एक, आप यहाँ तो फॉलो बटन क्लिक कर
सर
सकते हैं।
फॉलो किए हैं ऑलरेडी।
आपने किया है फॉलो, ठीक है, तो मैं आपको
जी
कनेक्शन
सर,
रिक्वेस्ट भेज दूंगा मेरे एंड से, ठीक
महेश
है।
सर बोल के।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं आपको कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेज दूंगा, ठीक है। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, इट वाज ग्रेट। नाउ कैन यू प्लीज फिल द फीडबैक फॉर्म, टीम, डू वी हैव द फीडबैक फॉर्म? It was great talking to you. Yeah, guys, you can see we have the feedback from here, and yeah, I would highly encourage everyone to please fill their please fill their valuable feedback. If you have liked the way we have answered, and I think this is one of the Q&As we have completed all the questions and all the hand raise, and I hope you are satisfied with the answers that I have given. Please fill the feedback form. You can mention my name, Abhishek. Also, I would love to connect with you on LinkedIn, so you can let your query know in the Q&A. You can let me know on LinkedIn. It's good to connect on LinkedIn. All the links are of feedback form that you can see in the last. You can give a thumbs up once you have filled the feedback form. Yeah, thank you, Meenakshi. I'm really looking forward to connect with every one of you on LinkedIn. So please get connected on LinkedIn. I would really love to have connect with you on LinkedIn. See, at the end of the day, we are the average of 5 people we work with or we connect on, right? So yeah, let's try to grow together. Let's try to connect with each other, and let's try to create a higher average. Okay, cool, guys. Yeah. Cool. Happy New Year to everyone in advance, and may you achieve more heights. Whatever you want to make a transition, you want to go more research, want to join new organization, whatever you want to achieve, I would highly wish that you would get whatever you are looking at in the near future.